Okay, so my son and I are going to get the strawberry moon. The strawberry moon, one of the things that's really cool about the strawberry moon is nothing. It's just the moon again. Okay, this just because the strawberries come out when the moon comes up doesn't mean that it's got a strawberry on it or something. It's not pink unless it's cloudy night. Now it might be pink tonight because it is low. The moon is low. It's going to be full, and that's it. Now I'd have to actually look up the distance. What will be interesting is to see how far away the moon is tonight.
The average distance to the moon is about 239,000 miles, and the closest point is 225,000 miles, and the farthest point is about 252,000. This is a really cool website. It shows you like all these different things about the moon and how far away it is. It shows you like furthest away the moon will be. The moon is moving about 1.5 inches away from the Earth a year, so I'm sure that eventually that record will be broken. It'd be much like claiming to be the youngest person alive.
Basically, the strawberry moon is when the moon is full in June. All the months have different moon names. There's the harvest moon, which I believe is September. There's the worm moon in March. The worm moon. What a great moon. I saw the most beautiful worm moon last night. We have to get these out. And the reason why we need these is because the knob on my EQM35 broke. And so I use these babies to make sure I can secure the legs. And when we secure them, the reason why we're doing that is because the moon sits extra low on the horizon when it's full. So in order to get over the roof, we got to get this baby up in the air. Yeah. Wow. Strawberry moon. Okay, we're getting ready for the moon. And it's like, how much time do we have? I know it's just got dark out, and I have this small window where I can see the moon, and it's about right there. For about a couple hours, the moon will be up, and I can get a good view of the moon. And just wondering, how close are we to seeing the moon? And you can see that it's right back behind those trees and clouds. So we're going to get some really cool shots. Okay, so now if this telescope doesn't clear the roof tonight, I could get out my other mount, which is the EQ6R Pro. We could see if it clears it then.
So the moon does vary in its location based on these things: the observer's geographical location, the time, that's the month of the year, and the lunar standstill cycle. So the lunar standstill cycle, what is that? The lunar standstill cycle is a cycle that lasts for 18.6 years, and it's where the moon's monthly northern and southern rising and setting extremes reach their maximum limits on the horizon. And this is how it works, all right? This is the mechanics of the cycle and why it exists, okay? So, one, the Earth's rotational axis is tilted about 23.5 degrees relative to its orbital plane, or the ecliptic. Two, the moon's orbit around Earth is additionally tilted about 5 degrees relative to the ecliptic. 3. The gravitational tug of the sun causes the intersection points of the moon's orbit to wobble or precess westward. This slow wobble completes a full rotation every 18.6 years. And 4. The standstills. When these two tilts align perfectly, the moon's maximum monthly declination swings between minus 28.8 degrees and plus 28.8 degrees. Okay, we got the moon.